Welcome back to this video, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at LunarVim, which has basically replaced my Vim IDE experience and might be great for you as well if you're considering some pre-built Vim extensions. So let's just get straight into it. So right here, I've installed LunarVim already, and there are specific LunarVim install instructions for your specific system, and you can check that out by going to lunarvim.org, the documentation site, which is very well made. It starts you off with a Startify plugin like system, and basically it gives you a few keyboard shortcuts to get started with. And basically we can edit all kinds of features here, set up our LSP, set up our mappings, formatters, stuff like that, and also interact with the normal Vim experience just like how you would in Lua, except it gives you cool LVim bindings because it's basically built a custom object for you, but we can get into that a little bit later. But now that we've gone through all the documentation, let's just get into some more fun stuff. So for example, here is here is my base file system actually, which I'm not sure why it's showing all this, but essentially this is just kind of, this is like the NVim tree plugin that allows you to search things, that allows you to add new files, as you can see on the bottom side of the screen, and delete files, move files, cut and paste files, and it's very amazing. And you can even preview files as well. So for example, if I wanted to preview this file, it previews it, and I can go back to this file, and you see it just kind of closes the window automatically, so it's very nice to see. And then it's even better if you have the LSP installer, and this LunarVim comes with it by default, so you can check out the LSPs that you want to install. And as you can see, I have some updates. You can install the applicable language server, which I will recommend to you, and then you can check out your LSP status. But what's even better is that you can check out everything within the LuaVim status. So if you click on LuaVim and then click on info, then, oh look, there's nice text up here as well. So you can see the buffer type, you can see the active clients. When you scroll down, you'll see the active formatters, just to see if your formatters are working. So for example, when I set these up, then they're formatted. The formatter should be working there. All right, and the tree sitter, of course, this is just my whole file system, so it's going to take forever, but you can search through files. And sorry, not tree sitter, telescope, kind of the basic stuff that telescope can do. You also have full text search as well. So if you want to do search, if you want to click on space, then search, then text, right? Then you have that. Then you also have the inbuilt terminal, but I don't really use that. I use LazyGit. LazyGit right here, it's amazing, right? And this is kind of built in. I found that with AstroVim, that one, the LazyGit was really slow for some reason. I'm not sure why. And the color was completely off, but this one kind of gets it straight on, which is amazing. And you also have your Packer stuff, so you can have quick Packer commands. You can take a look at your Git commands. I never use these, obviously, because I use LazyGit, but then you also have buffers. You can navigate between buffers, but essentially just the basic navigation will work for you. You can move your tabs over. You saw the tabs at the very top when I opened up that new file. For a lot of this, you can see it's a basic configuration, but it kind of like takes everything to the next level because you don't really have to set a lot up. It has everything kind of behind the scenes, and if you ever need to configure something, it's going to be very simple because it has a really great community. It has amazing documentation. And that's all for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also drop a like down below, leave a comment, whatever you'd like to do, and I will see you in the next video.